In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your AirPods are not turning on. Now, if you open the lid of your AirPods and if it does not show you this LED, or if it shows you an orange LED and basically if it does not turn on, now this is happening because your AirPods are out of charge. To fix this issue, just plug your AirPods into charge. Now, if your AirPods are already plugged into charge, but if they're not charging, so first of all, just check the charging cable of your AirPods and check if they're damaged or not. And also make sure to use Apple's original charging cable with your AirPods, because if you use a charger which is not supported by Apple, this might cause charging issues. So make sure you use the original cable. And also check the adapter and make sure that it is working. And after you've done that, now just check the charging port of your AirPods and check if there is any dust or debris stuck or not. If you find any dust or debris stuck in the charging port, just use a soft brush to clean the charging port. Now, another reason can be that your AirPods case is charging, but the AirPods themselves are not charging. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just remove the AirPod which is not charging. Now, let's say if it is this AirPod, then just look at the stem of the AirPod and check if you find any dust, debris, or any corrosion at the bottom of the stem or not. If you find any dust or debris, just clean it using a soft cloth. And also look at the charging place of your AirPods. Now, if you find any corrosion or any dust or debris stuck in the charging place of the AirPod, just apply some isopropyl alcohol on a Q-tip and rub that Q-tip on the charging pins. Now, after you clean the charging pins, then just place the AirPods back into the case and close the lid and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, on your iPhone, just go to Settings, then tap on Bluetooth. From here, just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. And after that, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name and select Forget this device. Tap on Forget device. Now, after you've done that, now for the next step, just open the lid of your AirPods and make sure that both of your AirPods are in the case. Then close the lid and wait for a couple of seconds. After that, just open the lid of your AirPods, then double tap 3 times on the LED of your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset of your AirPods. Now, if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, first of all, just open the lid, then press and hold the button at the back of the AirPod. Now just do that until this LED turns into orange. And after that happens, this indicates that you have done a factory reset on that type of AirPods. Now after you complete the factory reset process, then just close the lid and plug your AirPods into charge. Now after you charge your AirPods, you will see this orange LED on your AirPods case, which indicates that your AirPods has started charging. But if this also did not work, then just check if your AirPods support wireless charging or not. Then just try to charge your AirPods using any wireless charger. Now after you charge your AirPods for a couple of minutes, you will be able to turn on your AirPods by just opening the lid, just like that. And this is how you can fix if your AirPods are not turning on. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.